Turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice, has been cherished for its culinary and medicinal properties for centuries. This vibrant yellow spice, commonly used in curry dishes, has gained immense popularity in recent years due to its remarkable health benefits. In this blog, we'll explore the numerous ways in which turmeric can enhance your well-being, including its vitamin and mineral content. At the heart of turmeric's health benefits lies curcumin, its active compound. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, making it a superhero in the world of natural remedies. It's known to combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two factors that play a crucial role in the development of various chronic diseases, including cancer and heart disease. Curcumin's healing properties are truly remarkable. 1. Turmeric is not just a pretty spice, it's also packed with essential vitamins and minerals that can boost your overall health. Let's take a closer look at what this golden gem contains. Vitamin C is essential for a strong immune system and healthy skin. Turmeric provides a good dose of this vitamin, helping your body fend off illnesses and maintain a youthful glow. Vitamin B6 is vital for brain health and plays a role in neurotransmitter production. Including turmeric in your diet can support cognitive function and mood regulation. Iron is crucial for transporting oxygen throughout your body. Turmeric's iron content can help combat fatigue and keep you energized. Potassium is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and heart function. Turmeric contributes to your daily potassium intake, promoting cardiovascular well-being. Copper is involved in various bodily functions, including collagen production and iron absorption. Turmeric's copper content supports skin health and iron utilization. Turmeric doesn't stop at providing essential vitamins and minerals. It offers an array of healing properties that can transform your well-being. Chronic inflammation is a silent killer behind many diseases. Turmeric's curcumin acts as a potent anti-inflammatory agent, reducing the risk of conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel diseases. Oxidative stress leads to cellular damage and premature aging. Turmeric's curcumin fights oxidative stress, helping you maintain youthful skin and a healthy body. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties also make it effective in managing pain. It's a natural alternative for those seeking relief from conditions like osteoarthritis and joint pain. Curcumin has shown promise in improving brain function and delaying age-related brain diseases like Alzheimer's. It supports cognitive function and memory retention. Turmeric aids in digestion by stimulating bile production. It can alleviate digestive discomfort and promote a healthy gut. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine is easier than you might think. You can add it to your favorite dishes, make a soothing turmeric tea, or even take turmeric supplements. Turmeric's vibrant color is a reflection of the vitality it can bring to your life. With its rich vitamin and mineral content and incredible healing properties, it's a true superstar in the world of natural health remedies. By embracing turmeric, you're not only enhancing your well-being, but also adding a burst of flavor to your culinary adventures. Remember, turmeric's benefits are best enjoyed as part of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. So why wait? Start adding a touch of gold to your life and experience the magic of turmeric. Stay tuned for more exciting updates on the world of holistic health and wellness. Be the best!